Hi everyone, here we've got LG V50 ThinQ, and let me share with you how to activate the image stabilization on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see now we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, be sure that you will be on the video mode. So all you have to do is simply tap on the video. As you can see, the look of the camera changed a little, and now we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. As you can see, on the second position we've got the steady recording option, which is right now turned on. If you've got it turned off, if it looks like here, just tap on this option again in order to turn it on. So make sure that it will look like here, and from now on your device will automatically steady the recording, will reduce the motion blur in the videos, and the videos won't be as shaky as they will be without this feature. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the image stabilization in your LG V50 ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.